Hey, I'm Philip with Flip My Bronco, and today I'm installing Mabett's interior lighting upgrade on my 2025 Ford Bronco. If you find any value in what I'm doing today, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell for more videos. There's a link in the description for the lighting that I've used today in this video. There's also links for all the other accessories and installs that I've had on this 2025 base model Bronco to make it badass. Click on one of those links, buy the product. This channel gets a tiny percentage of commission and it goes to help to support us. Okay, what I've got for you today is the Mabett interior lighting upgrade for the 2021 to 2026 Ford Bronco. We'll go ahead and give you a heads up. This was made for the 21 to, it looks like 24, because in the 25, there are two reading lights in the back like this. So the instructions are gonna be a little different. I think the process is gonna be actually the same. If you have not seen my upfitter switches install, I need you to go check that out after this. See, there they are right there. Nice and lovely. But because I've done that, instead of digging at these with the pry tool, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this airbag panel with these three, if I remember correctly, I don't know, maybe 8mm bolts. Don't hold me to that. I'll tell you in just a second. I'm gonna remove this panel first to then get to that panel, then to get to this panel. And to get into those lights, I'm gonna try to push them out instead of digging at them with the pry tool that came in the Mabett lighting kit. Like I'm doing all this over again. 8mm bolt, by the way. Like I thought. 3. You don't need to see this. Ah! It fell off. Oh no. Perfect. All right, so that came down pretty easily. Always try to make sure that I have an amazing shot for my people. I'm just gonna kind of position right there. How does that look? It's gonna have to work. Let me flip this down for you too. Another one of these things. Just had one of my Jeep neighbors come over and talk about taking off my doors. How are you gonna take them off? Yeah. I said, well, I'll show you. Anybody wanna send me some doors? Should take the top all the way off. Excuse me, what do you think you're doing? Stealing my drink? Yeah. Comment below if you love Fresca as much as the rest of us.
I love Frescas. What are you doing? Tearing apart your Bronco?
No, I'm not tearing apart anything, smarty pants. See if I can just push this. We're gonna stop recording until I figure out what I'm doing. Okay, figured out what I was doing. It took about 2 seconds. Let's check this out. Let me do some splaining to you. Maybe I didn't even have to take down this thing right here. So I took that off, and then I was gonna be a smart guy and take that off, then take this whole thing off. Well, when I get this off, this is loose enough to reach my hand down in here and kind of pull down like so, enough to push that clip in to then pop this thing out. That's all I needed to do. Now what I'm gonna do is just disconnect. Disconnected. Really simple. Okay, now I'm just going to take the wiring harness, then I'm going to connect right here, like that. Nice little clip. And then should go back into the light like that, right? That was stupid of me. See, you always need to let me be just the dumb trial and error type person. What you have to do first, the smart thing to do here, is that you're going to unravel wiring harness, fish the wiring harness down through the top. Or how else would you do it? Dummy me. So always need a dummy to figure it all out first. Get everything wrong, record it improperly. Ow! Finger stuck. Now, let's replug this guy back in. Fish it through the top. Plug it in. Plug this one in. Like that. Go ahead and close the door. Let's open it back up. Still on. Put it back in. Oh, there we go. Clip back in. Now I'm going to take all of these wires and just kind of fish it down in there on the sides. All right, squatch basket. Sweating bullets again. But once again, squatch basket has come in handy. I'm going to take the wiring harness and run it down in through there, run it along the side right here. I'm going to put the airbag dually back up. What I'm not going to do, I'm not going to tighten it down. Leave enough room. Okay, so if you check out the way, I could do it like that. Alright, these things are angled to where the light will shine down. I could angle it down right there and angle that one down there. Okay, here I go. Hey, it works. Alright, I'm just taking the pry tool and I'm just kind of shoving those wires down in there. Whoops. Glad I caught that. It's not the one I want to put on that side. Again, make sure that when you put these in, it has the light. The light is angled downward. Okay, let's tighten these guys up. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Huh. Oh shoot. Stupid. Forgot to take the plastic off. There we go. Alright. There you have it on the passenger side. Now that I'm soaking, sopping wet. Let's see how quickly I can do this side. I'm Philip with Flip My Bronco, and today I'm sweaty as a mofo. It is hot. But Mabett, thank you for sending. I appreciate it. I'll try to get this all installed for you fellers. Shouldn't take too long. I mean, I maybe have been out here like 20 minutes or so. Crap. Can you even see me? Hope you can see me. Try that, maybe. I did a lot better job on that one. I'm gonna be 100 with y'all. See? I did a lot better job. See, next time, if I had to do this over and over again, I'd be really good at it. But this is why I do these videos. Let me fumble around and put a little bit of pressure there. Don't forget, I want the longer one right here. Take the plastic off, dummy. Plug it in like so. Move bolt. I am really excited. I don't even have my hat on right now. I got me a new hat. If you've seen it. Oh crap, what did I drop? Hunker down. Go Dogs. If you've noticed, football season is right around the corner. And hopefully the old Georgia Bulldogs are going to be all right this year. Hopefully. Drop a comment down below and let me know what your favorite team is. Give me a Go Dogs. I don't want to hear any Roll Tide. Terrible. Hate that. Anybody else? All right, it's just Alabama is Georgia's Achilles heel. And they know that. Alabama fans know that. Alabama coaches know that. Even when they got Dubois, or whatever his name is, Dubois or something. Holy cow. I hope you can see me. Okay, there we go. We got it all installed. I did a much better job on this one. On the driver's side than I did the passenger side, maybe. I mean, you can't really tell. Definitely, I can already tell. Obviously, sun didn't even down. But they look good. Super easy installation. I absolutely know this is going to increase the lighting in here. Looks really cool. I really like it. Much brighter than the stock reading lamps back here. I can just tell now, like, it's just a much brighter light now that we're in there. All right. Hey, I want to say thank you, Mabett, for sending those out. I think this is going to be an awesome upgrade for it. I'll get some lighting, or I'll get some shots in a little bit. As the sun goes down, it gets a little bit darker in here. Sorry for the sweat, it's a little hot. All right, so I'm holding the camera now. I always like to give you a real honest assessment, and would I highly recommend these things? Absolutely, I would. It's adding a whole lot more light to the interior right here. The way that I got them set up, I've got it set up behind the headrest, and then kind of in the middle. So go ahead and go get one of these. Like, it completely, the installation was super easy. It is very common sense how to install these things, and it is, again, another quick little upgrade that's going to make your Bronco a little bit better. I don't know if you can tell, the sun's gone down a lot, and it is extremely bright in here. That's some good lighting right there. Well done, Mabett. These do a really good job of lighting this up, big time. And I noticed when I went to go, I put my soft top back on and to fasten it back down, and I pushed push that down like normally, like you can't really see it very well, but I mean, you can see it perfectly now. Has a lot of light. Well done. Very good. I highly recommend. I'm Philip with Flip My Bronco, and thank you for watching.